Do you want to use your WhatsApp account on two phones at the same time? Then you came to the right place, because this video is going to show you the steps on how to link your WhatsApp account to another phone, so you can access your messages from multiple devices simultaneously. Before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing for more helpful videos like this one. I have my WhatsApp application freshly installed on my iPhone 11, but you may have an Android device, and this will work exactly the same on an Android, so you can follow the steps. I have my main account on an iPhone 16 Pro, and I want to link my account to the iPhone 11. So I've opened WhatsApp on both devices, and the right side is showing me the setup screen. You're going to get to the page where you need to enter your phone number, but instead of entering it, I'm going to click on the three dots at the top right corner of my screen and then tap on Link as Companion Device. You're going to be given a QR code, and I'll go over to my main device, hop over to the Settings page, hop over to Linked Devices, and then link a device. This is going to open your camera where you want to show it the QR code from your other device, and then those two will be linked. So you will now be able to use your WhatsApp on two phones, and you can link up to 4 devices to a single WhatsApp account.